Hey everybody, today we're going to look at Help Me Organize in Google Sheets. So I just got access to another one of Google's latest AI updates, and I thought we'd take a few minutes today and give this a quick spin and let's see how this works and what can we do with it. So I have not used this yet, so this should be interesting. So it's giving us some ideas of some kind of templates it can help us generate. It's also warning us that this is not intended to be factual and it can't edit a current spreadsheet. Okay, so it's only for when you open a new sheet. So see if I'm just reading some of the templates here. Wedding event plan and a zoo with different animal highlights at each event. Okay, that's pretty detailed. Kitchen remodeling task list for a kid that's friendly. Okay, marketing campaign. All right. So let's try eating schedule. One toddler, spelling toddler wrong. Toddler for a full week. Just try this. I don't know if I was okay. Okay, nice little table. Let's try. I think I've got to do what I always do. The vegan meal plan for 2 people for a week. Snacks. And yeah, we'll just do gotta do the vegan meal plan. I think I've done it every video where we demo something new. Okay, I mean, in terms of boilerplating, pretty good. Pretty good. Okay, wait. Task list for a birthday party for a 1-year-old. Oh, please pick it up for 2 people to work out. Okay. So let's see what we got here. Okay, kind of cool. All right, let's just insert this one. Like the color coding. That's pretty cool. And all right, that's pretty cool. Now, how do I get it back? Oh, I think now that it's in, and my new sheet status is gone. I don't think it's anywhere. All right, so that was just a quick look at the organized feature in Google Sheets. Definitely some interesting possibilities. Some of the things we just threw at it were pretty good. I think it's something. I think it's something that's totally worth using. So, yeah, let us know if you give it a shot and if you find any good use cases for it. And I guess we'll see you next time. Thanks, everybody.